Text is an important part of most video projects. It allows you to convey information, label important aspects of the video, and even establish a mood or a feeling. Text can appear in many forms. One of the common title types is the opening title sequence. Many films and video projects contain a title sequence that shows the main title along with the opening credits of cast, crew, studio information, and more. These can be superimposed over a black background or over a still or animated background, or just over the opening sequence of a film. The titles themselves can be static or animated, and often title sequences exhibit a look or a style that matches the look and feel of the film. Another classic use of titles is the lower third, which is an identifying title that tells the viewer who appears on the screen. You can style these a number of ways, but most often they're found in the lower portion of the screen. Rolls and crawls are another type of title. Rolls are titles that move vertically across the screen and are most commonly associated with ending movie credits. Crawls are titles that move horizontally across the screen and are often associated with tickers and other types of news updates. You can add your own unique style to rolls and crawls, but for the most part they're fairly basic in design. One of the most important types of titles is the subtitle or caption. These show on-screen dialogue in text form. Traditionally, they have been a great resource for deaf or hard-of-hearing audiences, but in the modern days of social media video, they are crucial as more than 80% of videos are watched without sound as viewers scroll through their news feeds. Although subtitles and captions are often used interchangeably, there is a difference. Captions are on-screen text specifically designed for hearing-impaired viewers, and they include extra oral elements like background noises, musical descriptions, speaker or voice differentiation, and other descriptors that are useful to understanding the film. They come in two forms: closed captions or open captions. Closed captions can be turned off and on by the viewer, while open captions are embedded within the video and can't be turned off. Subtitles, on the other hand, assume that the viewers can hear and are most often used when the viewer wants the language of the film translated in real time. There's all sorts of amazing title possibilities, but the bottom line is that no matter what type of title you're using, just make sure that it's necessary, it's effective, and it's styled appropriately for the type of video at hand. In this next section of our course, we'll be looking at all sorts of different ways in which we can incorporate the various types of commonly used titles within a video project.